you're on your journey to becoming a balloon sculptor, balloon twister, balloon designer, whatever else you want to be. But to get going, now that you know how to tie a balloon, let's do the basic fold. Now, the fold is pretty much the first twist you're going to learn because once you put it in the right place, you're safe. You don't need to hold the first and the last and other things like we'll be talking about. So let's just show what it looks like first, and then we'll talk through how to do it. Now, the fold twist is just as it sounds. You simply fold the balloon, squeeze, and twist. See? Just like that. Now, when we do this, important thing to remember is what we're making. So let's say we're making a dog. I'm going to want an equal ratio to where the nose is and the ears are. Because that will be my ears, that will be my nose. And if I twist, now I got my doggy head. A very simple dog head. This is part of what we call the 3-twist dog, which I taught to 6 and 5-year-olds. And if you know how to work YouTube, chances are you can learn how to do this. So we're going to do this one more time. Right down here, we're going to bend it, squeeze. Now, the important thing to know when you're squeezing the balloon is you're not going to, just by squeezing it, you're not going to destroy it. So don't be scared. Just give it a good old squeeze. Once you've done that, just twist. Now, some people like to lift and twist. Some people just twist. I do a little bit of combo. I just lift with my palms of my fingers just a little bit and twist it. And just like that. Hey, you see your cousin back there? So we do it one more time. Squeeze and twist. Now we'll have a separate video on how to do balloon dogs. So don't be afraid. We're going to have this one and a couple others. So, but what else can you do with this kind of twist? Well, this is also really useful if you want to make a balloon sword. And this is kind of the same twist, but it's also called the S twist. So instead of just doing one fold like that, we're going to do 2. Can you see the S? Just like that. Now what we're going to do, instead of just squeezing one layer, we're going to squeeze 2. And we're going to just twist them. Just like that. And just like that, we have a balloon sword. Again, it's the same thing as the 1-twist dog head. It's just instead of doing a single loop, we're doing 2. Just like that. We're just popping it up a level. See? And look, now with a little imagination, we also have a little alligator. See, the cool thing about balloons is the imagination is the limiting factor. And even if you can't see it, as long as the kid can, and they're happy, that's a pretty good day. Because remember, smiles are free. A thank you just takes a moment. But an encouraging word can change someone's life. So until next time, see you soon.